Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's project, we're going to be working on the Peterbilt again. What we need to do is this bottom step down here, as you can see, has a few cracks in it. And I may not be a large guy, but I ain't no small guy, and I don't want to fall through one day when I climb out. So I went to one of the aftermarket truck parts suppliers and ordered a new step. It came in the other day. I'm going to use my welder with the spool gun, try to weld it in. The problem we have though, this step is 29.5, and that opening where the old step is 29.75. So I'm going to see how it looks with an 1/8 inch gap on each side, see if I want to completely weld both ends in, or I may just put a piece of 1/4 inch aluminum along one side and go with that. I don't know. But first things first, we'll get the saw out here and cut the old one out with a portable bandsaw and the cut-off wheel. Get it out of there. You got to cut corners here, and then it's welded up underneath here on each side. And the new one they send you has end caps welded in. So if necessary, I'll cut the end cap out of one side and weld a piece on it inside the garage in a less windy environment. Go from there. But first things first, let's get that cut out.